This is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today in this video, I picked up some of these Amazon buttons. They're not the dash buttons. These are the little colorful buttons that you see that the little round black disc with a colored portion on the top. And they're Bluetooth input to Echo devices. And you can play like little games and stuff with them. But now they also can be used to trigger different routines and stuff that you have set up. So I wanted to get a set of these. I think they're around $20 or something like that, so they're pretty good price for what you can do with them. So I just wanted to show you an unboxing, and I'll probably make another video showing kind of how they can be used with routines and what things you might use them for. So I'm sure they're like most of the other devices. They're probably extremely easy to set up. They come pretty well packaged, and they look like this. Looks like they've already got batteries in them. You just have to pull the tab out. So let's go ahead and look real quick at the setup for them. So it looks like you just pull out the tab, and it says press and hold for up to 10 seconds or until it glows. Okay. Alexa, set up my Echo buttons.
Okay. Press and hold the Echo button for up to 10 seconds until it glows orange. Pairing may take up to a minute, and the button will turn blue once paired. You can also pair or unpair an Echo button in the Alexa app under the Bluetooth settings of your Echo device.
Okay, so I've got it in pairing mode. She's looking for it right now. Okay.
Your Echo button is paired. You can ask me to set up another button or play games with your Echo buttons.
Alexa, set up my Echo button.
Okay. Press and hold the Echo button for up to 10 seconds until it glows orange. Pairing may take up to a minute, and the button will turn blue once paired. You can also pair or unpair an Echo button in the Alexa app under the Bluetooth settings of your Echo device.
Okay, so it's going to do the same thing. She's going to look for it. Yeah, she is. Okay, so she's looking for that one. She should find it here in just a second. And it'll turn blue like the other one did.
Your Echo button is paired. You can ask me to set up another button or play games with your Echo buttons.
Okay, so they're both paired, and I think I will make a separate video. This is more just the unboxing and setting up. So I mean, you can see that was pretty easy. You know, you just say set up my buttons and press and hold this after you take the tab out, as you saw for the other one. Press and hold it for up to 10 seconds. It'll start glowing, and she'll look for it. And if you're close enough to your Echo device, she'll find it. It'll pair with it. It'll turn blue, and you're ready to go. And that's where you can set it up to do these different things. You can have little mini games, it looks like, that you can play with it. But what I'm more interested in is setting it up to do and trigger routines. So to have lights come on and off with them or something like that, you know, that to use it as an input into the system, into a smart home house, because you know, Wi-Fi buttons, Bluetooth buttons, and things like that that don't add other hubs can be kind of difficult to come by. So the fact that these go right into the Echo devices I've already got, that's really good, and they don't cost a whole lot. I wish they were a tad bit smaller, but again, for the price and for the fact that I don't have to have another hub, that's not, you know, the worst thing in the world to have to deal with. So if you're interested in these, I'll have a link in the description down below, and you can go check them out for yourself over at Amazon and just see how much they cost. Like I said, I think it's somewhere around $20 for 2 of them. So you can catch them on sale sometimes. I probably paid $15 for these, just because I had them in a wish list and kind of watched them. So if you like this video, hit the like. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. And this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. We'll see you again in the next video.